How to fix Steam something went wrong error. So if you want to fix Steam something went wrong error, then what you can do is just simply press Windows and R and you will get this run kind of interface. But if you don't find that, then you just need to simply right click on your Windows and you will have this run option. You just need to simply go with run, and under run you just need to simply type for percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter. And here you will find the Steam folder. You just need to simply go with your Steam folder and you need to delete your Steam folder. It will delete all of the cache, so don't worry, it will not delete any of your games on your Steam. So you just need to simply go with delete and it will delete the cache and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just go back and you need to open up your CMD. So go with run as administrator, click on yes, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter the command, which is ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, then it will successfully reset the Windows catalog and it will reset your internet settings. Once you reset, then you just need to simply go with the next command, netsh space winsock space reset, and then hit the enter. And once you've done that, we are done with CMD. Now you just need to simply go and restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. But this solution doesn't fix your problem, then you need to move on to the next one, which is you just need to simply open up your control panel. Once you open up your control panel, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has view by, and then go with large icons. Under large icons, you need to go with network and internet. Here you will have your network and sharing center. You just need to simply go with it and you'll get this kind of interface. And go with the internet that you are using. Just right click on it and you need to go with properties. Under properties, now you just need to simply go with internet protocol version, double click on it, and here you will have the following DNS server. Make sure that you've chosen the second option and then go with 1.1.1.1, and under the alternate DNS server you just need to simply go with 1.0.1.0 and then go with OK, and after that your problem will be fixed. So these were the few solutions on how you can fix your Steam something went wrong error, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.